Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about the construction of class 9. There are three types of question will be asked in class 9, which is shown in your screen. So you can see here the first type is rhombus, and the second type is quadrilateral, and the third type is trapezium. From these three questions in class 9, there will be one question will be asked in your class 9 final examination. So today I am going to teach you about the rhombus part only, and further in part 2 video I will be discussed about the quadrilateral and trapezium. So here is the rhombus question which is shown on your screen. Construct a rhombus ABCD in which AB 4.5 centimeter and angle ABC 45 degree. There are two type of question will be provided in your examination about rhombus. One is sides and angle, and the other question is only two diagonals are given. This type of question will be asked in your final exam. So you can see here, construct a rhombus ABCD in which diagonal AC is equal to 5.4 centimeter and BD is equal to 4.2 centimeter. These two types of question will be asked in your class 9 about rhombus. So I'm going to solve both of these. So let's start. So in first question, you can read construct a rhombus ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and angle ABC is 45 degree. So now I am taking a line, horizontal line of 4.5 centimeter. So I can put the scale. Here is AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now I am drawing a line 4.5 centimeter. Clear? So here is the line of AB, which is 4.5 centimeter. And the angle of ABC, B is in mid, so we can go to B point. Here is B point, so we create an angle with proper radius. You can arrange the compass with this radius or this radius. What's your wish? Just arrange it. I'm going to arrange the compass with this radius and draw a semicircle like that. Clear? Without moving your compass, I'm going to draw 45 degree. How can we draw 45 degree? If you don't know how to draw 45 degree, then in description box you get the link how to draw 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 105, 75 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. You can get the link. Just go in description link and click those video to know how to construct an angle. So here's a 45. So first of all we want to draw 90 degree. Here is 60 degree. Here is 120 degree. Clear? And from this point we get 90 degree. So we join this with the dotted line. Because this is 90 degree, we need to draw 45 degree. So from 0 degree, without moving your compass, just draw from 0 degree, and from 90 degree it will be 45. Now you can join both these line and pass through this line. So it is 45 degree. If you have any query about this topic, if you think, sir, we cannot make 45 degree this side, why? Because here is the line AB in left side, so we construct an angle on left side. If this line will be in right side, so we can construct 45 degree in right side. This is the technique. So here is, you can read the question, construct a rhombus. Rhombus means which have 4 sides and 4 sides are equal. So this one is 4.5. So now I am taking 4.5. I am taking what I said, this compass from A to B. You can check here. Okay, you can set here from point A to B. Clear? And then you can cut from angle part. This point will be C, and then from point A you can cut here. Clear? And without moving your compass you can cut here from this point. This is not clear vision. So this is completed. What I say, I fix this compass from A to B, then I cut on this line, from this line, and then I cut from point A this line, and then I cut from this line, and all the lines will be joined together. Clear? This one and this one will be joined. Clear? So here is AB, this is C, and this is D. BC is also 4.5 centimeter, AD is also 4.5 centimeter, and CD is 4.5 centimeter. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. You can write ABCD is a rhombus. The first question is solved. If you have one side and one angle is given, then we can draw like that. Okay. So now I'm going to draw second number. You can check here. Construct a rhombus ABCD in which diagonal AC is given and BD is given. If two diagonals are given, how can we draw? Just let's start. So first we draw a line. What type of line? Here AC is 5.4 centimeter. So I'm going to draw a line. AC equal to 5.4 centimeter from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.4. Here is the horizontal line AC. Right here AC is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Now fix the compass from C to A. Fix the compass from C to A and bisect each other. Bisect upper part, okay, and lower part also. You can bisect at lower part also, like that, without moving your compass from C, and then bisect from A. Without moving your compass, just bisect on upper part and then bisect on lower part. Got it? So let's bisect it. Now we draw these two lines with a scale, vertical line. Clear? Now we can check the question. You can see BD is equal to 4.2 centimeter. The half of BD is 2.1 centimeter. So the value from this, here you check BD is 4.2 centimeter. Now the 4.2 divided 2 is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So now with the compass and the help of a scale, we fix 2.1 centimeter. Here is 2.1 and this is 2.1. Fix it. Now we cut from this point to here and this point to here. Clear? Up and down. We cut up without moving our compass. We cut here Now we can join all those parts, then our figure will be complete. So we can join this one, we can join like this, we can join if your diagonal is given, then draw like that. Okay, so here is AC. You can check your question. AC is 5.4 centimeter and BD is 4.2 centimeter. Here is B and here is D, 4.2 centimeter. That means this is 5.4, clear, and the figure will be like that. Here we can say all sides are equal. So AD is equal to DC equal to BC equal to AB. This will be come in your examination of class 9. If you like this video, then comment, subscribe my channel and share with your friends, classmates and so on. In next video, we will discuss about quadrilateral and trapezium.